we should get back all the money from Tamil Nadu, and as and when the money comes in,
right,
after that the surcharge moves in.
Right, just let's cut across to Britannia
Into
Industries.
the new Company Act, which adds something to this year's depreciation, as well as the CSR expenses. We've had a net profit growth of 177%. 124 crores out of that comes from sale of our land in Chennai. If you were to remove that, there has been a 50% growth in our net profit. So overall, good numbers. The growths on revenues have come, 2/3 of that growth has come from volume growths. So we are very happy with that. In fact, we've just started our journey on innovation. We've launched NutriChoice Heavens, which is our first salvo as far as our innovation journey is concerned. You will see a lot more action on the innovation front. So that is, as far as our results for Q2 are concerned. Thank you.
First one is
Okay, that's the management of Britannia Industries, and I think largely it's been the volume growth which contributed 2/3 of the revenue, as well as some of the land sale that they spoke about. That has certainly been some of the contributors to their profit growth. The counter active and up by 2.5%. We'll take a quick break then right here on the show. All right, quick break then.